My journey with the Hubsan Zino 2 so far. On the 17th of December 2019, I paid GearBest $400 for the pre-order of the Zino 2. They finally shipped it February 14th, 2020. On April 1st, 2020, it arrived. That same day, I turned it on and connected it to the app, but I had no FPV video. It still wanted me to do the upgrades, so I did that, but still had no video FPV. The next day, I wanted to see if it would even fly. Well, it flew, but no recording and no FPV. And it was unstable. When I got home, I emailed Hubsan US to tell them about the FPV. 2 days later, they responded and said I needed to email Hubsan in California, which they supplied the email address, so I did that. 2 more days later, Hubsan California responded and wanted a video and a purchase receipt, so I sent them that. 2 more days later, they responded, said I had to deal with GearBest with my problem. 2 more days passed, and GearBest said I needed a camera ribbon cable, so I responded with okay. 3 days later, I emailed GearBest and asked if they have a tracking number for my ribbon cable. They responded and wanted my mailing address, which is funny because they have my address since I bought it from them. Another day or two, I finally got the tracking number. Okay, so I finally got the ribbon cable and installed it, and yes, now I have FPV video, but it won't upgrade to the new firmware. So I switched to the iPad mini, and then it upgraded. So the next day, I went out to fly. Everything went okay. The next day, I connected my phone again, and now it works. The next day, I went to fly, and it wanted to upgrade my app. So I did that. Now I noticed there was a watermark in the video. I also noticed it was more stable and didn't do the Zino drop on takeoff. Plus, they added a prompt after you land that asks if you want to stop recording, which is a plus because I always forget to stop recording. On today's flight, you notice I forgot to start recording, and the app shows video when it says it's disconnected, and all the telemetry works. Every day, something with this bird. It flies good and fast, the video is good, but it is unreliable in so many ways. I like to use waypoints, but the Zino needs a lot of work there. I couldn't find a way to set the speed or point the camera. The only thing I can say positive about the Zino is it can handle the wind where my Anafi struggles. Thanks for watching.